It just finished raining and it cooled off, so I want to take this opportunity and harvest. It's so beautiful and we definitely needed that rain. I'm going to start off with tomatoes since a lot of water can make the tomatoes crack. So many Romas over here. Looks like something got to these. They'll go to the chickens. I got something for you, Sassy. Here you go. And that's why I picked the tomatoes underripe. They're gonna ripen inside on my countertop anyways. A little blueberry cherry tomato. Look how cute that is. This loofah squash is just taking over, and I spotted a watermelon in here earlier. Let's see if I can find it. Ah, there it is. It's so cute and little. I'm gonna hide it back under here. Hopefully no critters find it. My walkways are definitely shrinking, but I'm gonna pick some cucumbers in this row. I'm going to pick some soy. These have a very tasty buttery flavor, and I love to steam them either shelled or in the pods. With all this rain, I better go harvest the strawberries or the slugs will eat them all. Yummy, this looks so good.